Well, here it is. It's the blizzard of 2023. Kind of joking around because it hasn't snowed all year long in New York. All winter, no snow. So this 1 to 3 predicted inches of snowing that's coming. They're making a big deal. They're saying it's a blizzard. So it just started 8 o'clock. It's coming down pretty crazy. Looks cool. So I will give updates, I guess. I will check in. This guy he can't handle the snow. He just can't handle it. It's crazy. So wish me luck. Too much fun. Long Island, New York. Snow, snow, snow. And I'll check back soon. Bye, guys. Woohoo! Snow! Snow! Crazy!